Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's update our current view on the euro currency, although it's not much to comment. From the previous trading session, as we said yesterday, the market has taken some pause and now is calling some range. It's just shift some price action from downward direction to the sideways action. Well, probably we could treat that as the indecision price action. Maybe this is due some support area that market has hit in the recent days, but when the market takes such sort of the price action with a lot of overlapping bars, and when the price action stands in some tight range, it usually leads to some fast acceleration and continuation in one or other direction. So you could see this on the chart a million of times. For instance, here, thrust and move, consolidation with overlapping bars, acceleration, continuation to the upward. So here we could get something of that sort. And from that standpoint, the most important for us is that low, I suppose. Because if market will take this low, this will probably erase any possibility to show some deeper move to the upside, and that will be the continuation that market has chosen its direction and market is ready to continue move to the downside. Until that will happen, market still could show a bit further move to the upside. Precisely speaking, I expect some, in the medium term perspective, I expect some A, B, C, D pattern that could lead price right to an area of the 125 area in terms of the weekly time frame. And that is, by the way, the monthly pivot support 1 that stands at 125 area. That's what about medium term perspective. Currently in the short term perspective, I just would like to get this BC leg. And what suggests that this BC leg should be a bit deeper than currently, because that price action was significant. That is the first retracement. Usually by momentum price action, market usually shows, not always, but very often shows a bit deeper move to the upside to get this ABCD pattern. Well, taking in at this price action, what we see, first of all, market has hit weekly pivot support 1, almost has hit, returns pull back, hit the weekly pivot resistance 1, returns right back. So that is just some price action in the range. What we could expect, even what we have to see, have to keep an eye on in the current trading session. First of all, as I said, keep an eye on this low. So if market will take it to the down, take it out, and this break of this low will be real, then probably market is ready to continue move to the downside. If not, till that happen, market could show some upward continuation. Here is the 4-hour time frame. For instance, we could get such sort of the ABCD pattern. Okay, now you can see the trend on the 4-hour time frame still bullish, and keep an eye on this price action. You can see that market currently stands very close to the MACD break-even point. So if there will be some sort of the stop grabber in this area and market will try to shift trend on bearish side and returns right back, and that attempt will fail, this probably will tell us that market is ready to take out these highs. That is the weekly pivot resistance 1. Also, that is the 3-8 resistance. That's swing to the downside. So, how far market will try to move above this area, we don't know. But that the attempt will take place, if this will be the stop grabber, that probability is relatively solid. And in this case, we still could count on some ABCD pattern. Well, here is also some hint of the potential head and shoulders pattern, reverse head and shoulders, and left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but I do not like how it looks. Its shape, it's very disharmonic pattern. But maybe this could be treated in such a way, but I prefer to focus on this potential ABCD pattern. On the hourly time frame, we see a bit longer resistance area that marked by the weekly pivot resistance 1 at current week. So you can see market tested 3 times already. So you can see that also was the medium support area. So market tested it, break into the downside, retested, pull back, again break into the upside. Well, if market will pass through the weekly pivot point, the next area to watch for is 128.66 area, and I suppose that probably market should reach it. Well, so by this current situation, there are 2 levels to watch for. First of all, the level of support 128.66, maybe slightly lower, since you can see this support a bit lower, but around 128.50, 128.66 area. If market will hit it, let's take a look at the 4-hour time frame, and that is also the 128.66. In this case, this will be absolutely harmonic ABCD pattern that will give us precise agreement, the target of the ABCD pattern with the 618 resistance of the whole swing to the downside. That's the first level to watch for. It's potential support and potential development of the ABCD pattern. If this level will not hold, then all eyes on this low, because if market will pass it to the downside, so that probably will mean that we will see some downward continuation, because in this case market will have to move below the weekly pivot support 1, and that will not be just a retracement. The market breaks pivot support 1, means that some greater continuation to the downside. Although be careful, since 127.35, 127.40 is daily confidence support. Well, a lot of possibilities we could suggest here, so market probably could even hit lower, create lower low, hit this confidence support and start to some pullback to the upside. It's very difficult to deal with the market currently, since a lot of levels in the very tight range, and it's very difficult to predict. All levels have significant value. Very difficult to predict how market will behave around this area. So that area is really significant support. Well, but as for today's trading session, I still think that there are 2 levels to watch for. 128.50, 128.66 is the potential support as the condition for development of the intraday ABCD pattern with the target around 130.30 area, or keep an eye on the potential breakout of low around 127.90 area.